Today didn't begin with structural analysis. It didn't begin with HEM. I stumbled across a post written by a mechanical design engineer. A small development room on a balcony. Circuit design. PCAD. PCB fabrication. Prototype after prototype. And a simple thought appeared. The field is different. But the way people live through their work is remarkably the same. At first, I thought it was a simple story about PCB design. Then a name appeared. Sherlock. Not the detective. A PCB reliability analysis tool. What Sherlock searches for is not a stress value. It searches for where the problem begins. I've been asking the same questions in structural engineering. Where does a crack begin? Where does buckling start? Where does failure originate? Sherlock asks those questions about PCBs. And I realized HEM may be asking the same questions. Just pointed at different things. Following the thread further. Rockets and PCBs turned out to be connected. A massive rocket. A tiny circuit board. But vibration travels from the rocket all the way down to the PCB. What matters is not size. What matters is the process by which change travels. HEM is starting from structural engineering. But if concepts like state, relation, transfer, contact, and change are general enough, perhaps one day HEM could move beyond structures. Soil, fluid, life, cells, ecosystems. The thing that stayed with me most today wasn't a massive server. It was a small laptop. Slow internet. No GPU. No subscription. And yet, that person kept exploring. I hope HEM never forgets that direction. Perhaps Sherlock is a detective, searching for failure. And perhaps HEM is an explorer, following change as it moves. Both ask the same question. What was the first thing that started to change? Maybe today's story wasn't really about PCBs. Or Sherlock. Or even HEM. Maybe it was about curiosity. About following change wherever it leads. And one more thing. Wait. When exactly am I supposed to write code?